People have always looked to Jotun for protection. From homes, schools, and offices, to epic new monuments and legendary landmarks. From great ships that brave the oceans, to powerful cranes and pipelines. From modern furniture and accessories to home appliances, people rely on Jotun to keep their world safe from harm. But what about protecting the great big world we all share? At Jotun, protection is at the core of all we do. And as we take continuous steps to better protect your property, we're also taking even greater steps to better protect our planet. We call them Jotun Green Steps. Initiatives that significantly contribute to a more colourful world. Through these 5 green steps, Jotun continues to innovate protection. Step 1. Reducing VOC emissions. Step 2. Reducing hazardous materials. Step 3. Reducing energy consumption. Step 4. Reducing the carbon footprint. And Step 5. Reducing waste. For a more colourful world, Jotun steps forward to reduce VOC emissions. VOCs, or volatile organic substances, are traditionally used as solvents in paint products. These substances can cause chronic health problems and contribute to high levels of ozone and smog. Over recent decades, we have worked hard on developing products that have a reduced VOC content. Customers can further reduce their impact on the environment by using powder coatings, as it is a dry finish and does not contain any of these solvents. For a more colourful world, Jotun steps forward to reduce hazardous materials. When developing our products, we constantly look into ways to reduce hazardous raw materials, with less hazardous alternatives. Even as we work to reduce and replace the number and quantity of hazardous substances, we still make sure that the high product quality and reliability standards continue to be met. All our powder coatings products are lead-free, and we are also driving the implementation of TGIC-FREE polyester in non-regulated markets. For a more colourful world, Jotun steps forward to reduce energy consumption. Firstly, Jotun's consumption of energy is linked to our facilities, including production and warehousing. And when building new premises or maintaining or extending existing ones, energy consumption is a main focus area. We also choose raw materials and develop products that can save energy for both us and our customers. At Jotun, we place strong emphasis on developing low-temperature powder coatings solutions, which means better operational efficiency and energy savings. Through our heat management powder products that reduce the temperature of the building when exposed to sunlight, we also manage to reduce energy consumption to our end users. For a more colourful world, Jotun steps forward to reduce our carbon footprint. The carbon footprint measures the impact our activities have on the environment, and in particular climate change. It relates to the amount of greenhouse gases produced in our day-to-day lives by using electricity, heating and transportation, etc. Recent research shows that low-temperature cure powder coatings technology and thin film applications create greater operational efficiency and therefore produce a smaller carbon footprint than traditional industrial finishes. For a more colourful world, Jotun steps forward to reduce waste. When it comes to waste, we focus on 3 key things: reducing, reusing, and recycling waste across all our operations. From office waste to production waste, reducing and disposing of chemical waste is a major focus area. Obsolete goods are a major contributor to chemical waste, so instead of just scrapping them, we look for ways to rework and dispose of them in a more environmentally friendly way. With powder coatings, waste is greatly reduced, and a 95 to 98% powder utilization efficiency rate can be achieved. We are also working to recycle very fine particles, which reduces the need for disposing of excess powder. We have taken quite a lot of initiatives with our Jotun Green Steps program, and we find this a good reason to keep going. Jotun Green Steps is now at the core of all we do. It is a focus in our innovation process. It boosts operational responsibility throughout our company. And most importantly, it is how Jotun continues to protect property for a more colourful world.